So we will be discussing on direct variation and inverse variation. So we will be translating into variation statement a relationship between two quantities. So direct variation. Quantity y varies directly as quantity x, or y is directly proportional to x, if and only if y is equal to kx, where k is the constant of variation, or the constant of proportionality. So we have the equation y is equal to kx. So we have here examples. So give the mathematical equation of the following. First, p varies directly as q. So we have the equation p is equal to kq, in which p replaces y and the q replaces the x. So we have the second example. The cost C of meat varies directly as the number n of kilos bought. So we have the equation C is equal to Kn. Third example. Given the table of values, let's find the equation and translate the equation into a variable statement. So we have solution. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 25. If x is equal to 4, and y is equal to 100, and if x is equal to 9, and y is equal to 225, y is equal to kx. So we substitute 25 to y, so we have y is equal to k times 1, so we substitute, okay, so we have k is equal to 25. So when k is equal to 25, y is equal to 25, and x is equal to 1, we substitute the given values to the equation, which is y is equal to kx. We have 25 times 25 times 1 is equal to 25. So 25 is equal to 25. So when k is 25 and y is 225 and x is equal to 9, so we have 225 is equal to 25 times 9, resulting to 225 is equal to 225. Therefore, k is 25 and the resulting equation is y is equal to 25x. Translating the equation into a variable statement, y varies directly as x, or y is directly proportional to x. So we have inverse variation. Two variables are so related such that as one variable increases, the other variable decreases proportionally. For variables x and y and constant k, if xy is equal to k, then y is inversely proportional to x, or y varies inversely as x. So we have the equation y is equal to k over x. So we have here examples. Give the mathematical equation of the following. Number 1, s varies inversely as m. So we have the equation s is equal to k over m, in which s replaces y and m replaces x. Number 2, the number of hours required to do a job varies inversely as the number of people working together. So we have the equation h is equal to k over p. Third example, given the table of values, let's find the equation and translate the equation into a variable statement. So what we can see, the value of x is 3, the value of y is 10. If the value of x is 2, the value of y is 15. If the value of x is 5, the value of y is 6. So as x increases, the value of y decreases. So if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 10. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 15. And when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6. So we have y is equal to k over x. So we substitute the value of y, which is 10, and substitute the value of x, which is 3. So we have 10 is equal to k over 3. So k is equal to 30. So when k is 30, y is 10, and x is equal to 3, let's substitute the given values to the variables. So we have y is equal to 10, so 10 is equal to k, which is 30 over 3. So we have 10 is equal to 10. So when k is 30, y is 5, and x is 6. Y is equal to k over 6. So we have to substitute the values. So y is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 30 over 6, in which 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, k is equal to 30. And the resulting equation is y is equal to 30 over x. Translating the equation into a verbal statement, y varies inversely as x, or y is inversely proportional to x. That's all.